Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are starting another job series. In this kitchen remodel, we removed two walls. One was a partition wall that separated the kitchen and dining room, and the second was a load-bearing wall that separated the kitchen and dining room from the living room. We installed a beam for support. In removing the walls, we were able to add a really large island with a bunch of seating and open up the whole first floor. This really increased functionality of this space for this young family. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the kitchen looked like before demolition. Here is one of the walls we removed that separated the kitchen and dining room. The yellow wall in this photo is another wall that we removed. It is a few days into the demo, and the kitchen as well as the wall separating the kitchen and dining room have been removed. Now the guys are working on removing the bearing wall and installing the beam. The demolition has been completed, as well as framing for the new opening and installing the bearing beam. Here is what the new space looks like from the perspective of standing in the living room. The plumbing and electrical rough-in has occurred, and it is now time to repair the drywall. Once the drywall and paint was finished, we installed the underlayment for the LVT floor. Then the LVT floor was installed. We used Mannington Adora Acacia Natural Planes 6x48 planks. And as you can see, we used it throughout the kitchen and living room. In our next video, we will pick back up with the cabinet installation, so be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.